Hey, y'all, how we doing? Patrick with Vetted here. You saw the title. You saw the thumbnail. Yes. New Steven Spielberg produced, that's important, produced documentary series coming out on Netflix about aliens, UFOs, UAPs, whatever you want to call it, people. You know why you're here. It's called Encounters. We're going to be taking a look at the trailer, and then I'm going to be taking a look at an article that dives a little further into what it's about. And I also have a theory, some comments made by Ryan Graves and Commander David Fravor on the Merge podcast before their testimony in a hearing about a documentary that was coming out this fall that they were involved in. And I'll talk more about that a little bit later. So I think they're talking about this. So anyway, let's jump into the trailer, right? Let's do this. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I am super excited about this, okay? Woo! Okay, I haven't even seen this trailer yet. It came out 13 days ago, but I've been waiting to do a video so I can watch it. So I'm going to react with y'all. And let's see what this is about. Okay. Oh, my gosh, I'm so nervous here. Okay, do I start it? Yeah, let's go.
The very first time I saw something in the sky, I really hesitated to say anything to anybody.
This is where it landed.
Half of it there were lights. It was like
I was at one with whatever it was.
They looked like identical twins.
It had a very big head.
Cigar shape.
what it was. We don't know.
This was not a one-off event. These things happen all the time. They happen all the time.
Since the 1940s, we've been told by authorities and scientists that this is ridiculous.
There were over 60 kids that saw what I saw.
It had big eyes.
I think whatever people saw was intelligently controlled, and it was not manufactured by the United States or any other nation for that matter.
When I've started looking into these stories, we can get files from 30, 40 years ago that we've never been able to see.
They were tortured by the fact that no one would listen to them.
You know, you try and live a normal life, you try and move on, but it just opens up doors again.
My relationship suffered. I suffered. I'm still on my quest. I will find out what happened.
We have to keep relearning that lesson that human beings are not the center of the universe.
Most people would say the question is like, are we alone? I think the question is, who are we?
Wow, what a great little question there at the end by that guy, right? Are we alone? No, the question is, who are we? That's interesting, right? Like, is that maybe? Yeah, that's pretty profound. I like that. You think, oh, who are we? No, that has a lot. That's a lot more profound if you think about it. Maybe that's where we need to start. Who are we? Who are we? We should try to understand that first before going into, are we alone, right? Do we even know who we are as humans, right? Isn't that something we struggle with on the daily? What is our purpose? Why are we here? Who are we? Who made us? Who created us? Would that help us answer those questions if we found out we weren't alone? Yeah, I think that would begin that conversation for sure. All right, so let's take a look at this article about this documentary series. So, of course, look, Steven Spielberg is involved, right? So he's made Close Encounters, he's made E.T., War of the Worlds, right? He's clearly into this subject, and what I like is that this is taken seriously, right? not a joke. Okay? They're not laughing about it. They're taking this seriously. And if you know anything about James Fox, he was turned on to a few sightings himself by Steven Spielberg. He tried to work with him in the 90s, I believe, the late 90s. And Steven Spielberg helped him out. Gave him a sighting, said, I'm not going to be in your documentary or whatever, but hey, you should check out this sighting. And I believe it was the one in South Africa, or was it the Australian one? I'm not sure. But they clearly brought it up in this documentary. So Encounters with all the children, right? Yeah. So here, Steven Spielberg is producing an upcoming Netflix docuseries about aliens, which is titled Encounters. It's about aliens. Okay, yeah. Okay, all right. The legendary 3-time Oscar-winning filmmaker is no stranger to the subject. Yes, okay. All right. So Amblin Entertainment, that's the company behind Steven Spielberg's stuff. We don't know. Okay, let's get to this here. According to Deadline, Amblin Television is partnering with Boardwalk Pictures and Vice Studios. It's a 4-part docuseries about aliens titled Encounters. So again, it's not like UFOs. It's about their encounters with these beings. So he's not directing it, but Jan Motzkin, who previously helmed the documentary Generation Hustle, will be behind the camera. Not directly behind the camera, but the Spielberg-produced project promises to explore our extraordinary true stories of encounters with otherworldly phenomena. Each episode will tell a single story, whether it happens to be strange lights in the sky over a Texas town or submersible spacecrafts that haunt a coastal Welsh village. Other episodes look at an alien encounter with school children in Zimbabwe. Okay, so it was the African one. Plus, non-human intelligence reportedly interfered with a nuclear power plant in Japan. Encounters promises to be told by those who had first-hand experiences in the places where sightings occurred and guided by the likes of military personnel and scientists. The docuseries for Netflix, which promises to highlight the profound human impact of these experiences, comes at a significant moment in terms of alien exploration that has been reflected in worldwide headlines. Encounters is coming as military whistleblowers have come forward about alien encounters, UFOs, and secret Pentagon programs that have added interest to a topic that has been a source of fascination for many. It's been a topic of interest for Spielberg as well, with his production company soon debuting a nonfiction take on a familiar subject matter. Yeah. I mean, these kind of things really do help get the word out, right? And my apologies, had a phone call come in. And they just help move this in a serious direction, right? Because there are still little hints of this being laughed at, right? We got the remember the presidential debates, and they asked a UFO question, right? It was a joke, right? I mean, it's still there a little bit. Like, it's not there and it's there, right? And these kind of things help just add credence. Again, let's just hear from these people, hear their stories, their testimony. If it is true that each episode is going to be entirely dedicated to one single story, that is nice. That's unique, right? Typically, it's a mix mash, and it sounds like they're just going to really dive into the evidence of each one, and I guess what they felt were the most compelling encounters. Now, having seen the trailer now, I will say I'm not so sure then about Ryan Graves and Commander David Fravor, if that's true then, about this documentary that they have coming out. Because the thing was, what Commander David Fravor said, and I'll put a link to the Merge podcast. It's at the very end, and you can, find it there. where he says that. You know what? I guess I can try to pull it up real quick. Here, I should have done that before, shouldn't I? But you know what? Here, you guys can witness. Let's do this. You guys can witness firsthand how quickly we can find this. Okay, Merge Podcast, David Fravor. So, again, it makes me think it's a different documentary that's supposed to come out. Okay, right here. So it's in this, and it's at the very end.
We're going
to
generate new income for your business from our SEO efforts, or we pay you back in full. So how in the world...
Is this what it's like?
In 1989, if you just said...
Okay, it's at the very end. Yeah, they're literally like...
them a lot in the United States. Stop lowering it. When I was a kid, if you failed, you found out.
Yeah. I think, to your point, we are going to see a lot of changes in this area over the next few years. So perhaps we'll have you back on and we can discuss some of them.
Right.
You know, Ryan, I hope we do, and I hope I get invited back. I think, there's some stuff coming out. There's the documentary that I know you're a part of that's going to be coming out that I think is going to be game changing. There's been a lot of stuff said, but I think this is going to have the right amount of people. I'm not saying who it is or when it is, but there is something being put together that I think, hopefully it will come out and it'll be, that one thing that pushes it over that says, all right, we can't, the cat is definitely out of the bag, because I think there's going to be some interesting information that comes out in it. So it'll be good. I think it's an exciting times.
We don't support the X-File themes here at all. So, all right, Dave, thanks so much.
Twilight Zone. Yeah, thanks, dude. It's been great. Great seeing you.
So there it is. Right. So I'll put a link to that. I think he talked maybe a little bit about it beforehand, saying it had some of the clearest footage that had ever been released. But again, I don't know if this is that same. I just thought it might be, but I guess there's another one coming out. I don't know. What do y'all think? Is this what they're talking about? This Encounters? You'd think they would have used Ryan Graves in the trailer, right? If he was going to be in it, you would think that would happen. Clearly, but they didn't. So yeah, it makes me now it makes me retract that. Makes me think it's a different one. And now I'm curious what that is. Now, granted, this came out, let's see, 2 months ago. I remember hearing that. Oh my God, what is this? Let's not forget about that. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments. Is this it? Is it something else? Again, I kind of do think it's something else now. But anyway, Encounters. It comes out tomorrow, y'all. So let's get on this and watch it. I'll be covering it here on the podcast. Look, it's mainstream. It's out there. It's on Netflix. It's going to go global, y'all. Okay, that's huge. Which is why I think they're covering, right, different encounters all over the world. They didn't just stick to America, the U.S. Maybe that Texas one. I'm in Texas here. Maybe we'll have to go investigate that further ourselves on our own here. I bet I can do that on a weekend, drive out. So I'll find out about that. But anyway, looking forward to it. Let's spread the word, because, look, your grandma's going to see it, right? Your aunt that doesn't know anything about it, your cousins, your friends, a coworker who's like, oh, did you see that Encounters documentary, right? So let's hope I'm sure they will, okay? They're going to respectfully show this stuff. So anyway, very excited about it. Hit that like button, guys. Really helps out the videos and the algorithms. And again, thank you guys for all the continued support. We are shooting up fast, and subscribers and everything. And I just thank you guys. It takes a minute to grow a channel. And, these daily videos that we're putting out, I think, help a lot. So that's what we're going to continue to do. Daily videos every day. So check that out. So anyway, thank you guys so much for all the support. Again, y'all are the reason to do this. Without y'all, none of this is possible. Respect you guys, and I respect all the comments you leave. Even if we disagree, please leave your comments. I may disagree with you, but please, your comments are always welcome. Just don't be mean and hateful. I will remove those. All about love. So anyway, thank you guys. Have a good rest of the day. Let me know what you think of the trailer. All right. Every day's a gift. Peace, y'all.